Yeah, welcome to On the Surf. This is the family. On this channel, we're talking about boat stuff in general, boat life with kids, how it works with kids on the boat, how it works with dogs on the boat maintenance and boat restoration and boat repairs, and basically boat life in general. Please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, but it helps me out and keeps my motivation going. So please hit that subscribe button, give the videos a thumbs up if you like the content, and if you don't, leave a comment below, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Here I have the working list for this winter. We're gonna make new canvas for the doghouse, and then we're gonna put on a heat exchanger so we can run antifreeze in the engine. Hopefully we're gonna put in a hot water boiler so we can take hot showers, extend the swimming platform, put in fans in the ventilation, and we're gonna put in 3 carbon monoxide sensors, one in the aft cabin, one in the doghouse, and one in the forward cabin. Yep, and we're gonna paint the freeboards one more time before we launch it. Yeah, we're gonna redo the last part of the electricity part, switch out the big cables. I didn't do that last year because they were too expensive last year, and now I have got heavy duty cables and some new batteries, and we're gonna upgrade the battery bank quite a lot actually. So stay tuned in the upcoming videos. So that's what some of the new episodes gonna be about, and some other. Nej, nej. Är du med på film? Yeah. Some of the episodes gonna be about that. Some episodes gonna be of the things I've gotten, and some of the episodes gonna be about what Senna want to put in the boat. Yeah, and maybe we will figure out some more stuff to do when we are digging in the boat. Yeah, that's that for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. It's free, it doesn't cost you a thing, but it means a lot to me. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.